Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif are all set to take nuptial vows in Rajasthan, and E-Times was the first to inform you about their big fat wedding in December. It was also reported that Vicky and Katrina are planning to call a marriage registrar to the former's house for the wedding registry. As fans wait for an official update, Vicky was recently spotted at Katrina's home. Amid all the wedding preparations, Vicky was seen greeting the paparazzi after getting out of his car before heading to Kat's house. Amid the reports suggesting that the couple will tie the knot on December 9 with just family and close friends in attendance, Vicky Kaushal was packed leaving after midnight from Lady Love Katrina Kaif's residence. It is said that the actor reached Katrina's residence for an apparent wedding outfit trial. Dressed in a blue t-shirt, jeans and cap, Vicky gave a thumbs up to the paps while getting into the car. Yesterday evening, we also saw designer Anayata Shroff Arjania getting snapped outside Kat's house, where she was seen carrying a massive handbag along with 3 men who were holding big boxes. Interestingly, Katrina's brother, Sebastian Laurent, has also reached India for the wedding. He took to Instagram stories and shared a picture with the caption, "India feeds the soul, debauchery in a different environment." While fans are excitedly waiting for Vicky and Katrina's wedding, comedian Krishna Abhishek, who is the neighbor of the Uri actor, revealed that the wedding preparations are going on in a hush-hush way. Meanwhile, a total of 120 top Bollywood and other celebrities are expected to attend the wedding of film stars Katrina and Vicky, which is scheduled on December 9 in Rajasthan, said Rajendra Kishan, the district collector of Savai Madhopur district, on Friday. Kishan said that the organizers have been asked to strictly follow all COVID-19 protocols. Also, those who are not vaccinated will not be allowed without the negative RT-PCR test report, he added. Ahead of the proposed wedding, special instructions have been issued to put event-related stickers on all the vehicles associated with the event. Meanwhile, stay tuned to E-Times for all the updates on this royal wedding.